All right, guys, here she is. I just got her. She got dropped off this morning. This is a 2010 Ford Crown Vic Police Interceptor. We don't know what happened, but we're gonna play investigator and try to figure out what the hell happened, because I posted this on Instagram and some of you guys were saying that Taco Bell finally caught up to the officers. Freaking hilarious. And if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. We are gonna search this vehicle, try to find clues. I mean, check out this light bar. What kind of light bar do you think this is?
Code 7000. I can't remember the exact name.
So what, like LA, or the LA use these, or by LA? Huh? That's,
still uses these.
oh, that's right. I seen that 05. Look, she's got spotlights on her still. Ooh, this one's nice. Yeah, salvageable still. The other one's a little dirty, but it's okay. We can be repaired.
Where is this from?
Yeah, because this is so weird. Look, it's a...
I've never seen yellow decals in California.
Right, and the Buford Sheriff.
I don't even think this plate's real. I think that's plastic.
Oh, I think you're right.
Oh, shoot, I am right.
Oh my god, they
guy
just...
had to have been like an impersonator.
Yeah, this is...
Because it would say the letter, or the letters on the bottom too. Even a Buford, California?
No, I never heard. No, I would know my counties. Okay, so let's take a look in the inside. At first, I was thinking Evoc training because of these fucking crossbars. But then, how the hell's the officer even gonna sit in there? Look, there's not much space for him to sit.
Could be remote controlled.
Oh, there you go, remote control. Oh, look.
Yeah, it could be remote controlled. Good center caps too.
Yeah, I can fix that. Oh, look, they bent the rim too. Let's open up this trunk.
Let's see. That's not possible.
Oh, yep, it's possible. Yeah.
I'll hold it for you.
Okay. What the heck? This is a barbecue grill.
Yeah.
Look, the trunk. Yeah. And look, there goes the plate right there that melted.
Dang.
Let me throw this out. Oof.
Sand?
I don't know. Is that sand?
It looks like sand to me.
Yeah. So kind of here. Oh, look at this.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, go ahead, drop it. Woo. Check it out. Have you ever seen that on the Crown Vic before? Can you see? Oh, you can't even see, huh?
I can see it now. Now I'm looking.
Oh, okay.
It looks.
I think that was custom made.
What if they were police impersonators? They drove like to the Mexican border, hopped out from underneath, and
yeah.
load out. Like you never know.
Yeah, there you go.
Put drugs back here and then drop them, like an airdrop.
Oh yeah, no, they call them ghetto hose.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my, what the fuck?
You said.
What the hell? Oh, you know what? This had to have been a movie car or something. What the heck? Look at this thing. It's a freaking arm. That is funny. Hey, look, there's the rest of the torso there. I'm gonna try to pull that out real quick. This is the torso. This is like some skin of some sort. Damn, he got toasted.
There must have been a fire. Well, clearly. But at first, I'm like, why is the front not burned? But this is tinted. I thought the windows were tinted.
Oh, they're not tinted?
No,
I thought they were tinted.
No. It's just charred.
Oh, that's hilarious.
So the fire got inside in the dash.
Yeah.
Like, what would you do to somebody for them to crash into you like this? Because this person definitely, I don't think they live.
No. All right, let's check under the hood. If I could even reach in here. Oh, there's this white powder everywhere. Looks like there's missing components. Let's see. Batteries missing, the spark plugs are missing, coils are missing. There's a lot of missing parts, but there is a lot of usable parts too. Man, these windows really do look tinted, but as you can see, they're not. This is a clean cut.
The episode on Mythbusters where they had the thing on the front of the semi truck.
I have to look it up.
And they cut.
Oh, right down the middle?
Yeah, right down the middle. That's probably what happened.
You know what? I think that's what we should do here. Let's do that. I got an idea. Hold up.
So for the next couple of days, 2 more Beaufort County Sheriff cars came in, and as it turns out, there is a horror movie being filmed in Placerville, and these are the cars they no longer need.
I found these pictures online from the film set, and there is a scene where an ambulance rams a police car right down the middle, causing a fiery explosion, which explains why the vehicle is cut right down the middle. All right, guys, so I'm feeling super inspired. I always wanted to make my own movie, so I think I'm gonna recreate the scene that this vehicle was intended for, and I'm gonna use this bad girl right here. Okay, we're gonna pull out the semi truck. We're gonna use her to ram the police car right down the middle, and hopefully causing a sick scene that splits the car in two, just like the picture from the movie said. I don't know. Let's go. All right, we're gonna do a stunt. We don't have access to the forklift right now, so we're gonna go ahead and just drag it out. Gotta do what you gotta do. Oh yeah.
Stop. Almost killed me, almost killed this truck. Hey, turn the wheel.
Yeah, that's what I said. Turn the wheel.
No, look it up to the back. Just like a trailer. Oh, yeah.
Transmission missing. Yep, transmission's not. That was close. Okay, so we got lucky. One of the workers there decided to help us out and bring the other half right to us. Okay, so the idea is to set up the car right in the middle of the road so we can ram it with the semi truck and split it in two and have 2 police cars in pursuit. But we were having a bunch of trouble leveling the car, getting it straight, plus there was a bunch of other cars that were trying to get through, so we had to move the car out of the way. So we finally set the car up in a spot where vehicles could go around us without bugging us. So after about an hour of fiddling around with the vehicle, we finally got it right, and it's time for our stunt. Let's go. All right, she's ready. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Maybe I've never done anything like this before, but yeah, let's do this. Get it, boys! Woo-hoo! I think that was a success. That was a success. Oh my goodness. I'm just hoping that landlord doesn't come over here and it's like, what the hell was that noise? Oh yeah. That was good, but it looks like you panicked a little bit. You panicked a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I panicked because I didn't want to complain into you.
Right, no.
I was going fast enough where it wouldn't slow into you.
Yeah.
That was awesome, yeah.
That was awesome, yeah.
The first stage, I thought I was gonna hit him with the car.
Oh yeah. It's good though, it's got some good footage. Oh wow. Oh, it bent it. Oh hey, oh shit, you alright? Oh no. You okay? Hey he's trying to get through. Can you guys move the cars? All right guys, so here's the aftermath. Nothing gets wasted in this car. Everything is gonna get put to use. I already started removing everything out of this car. So you got the throttle body, got the alternator. I'm gonna take the hood. If I could save it, I'm gonna take it, including this bad girl right here.
That was totally worth it. I gotta copy that when you post it.
Yeah.